Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Andrew Mallett and you are just minutes from fulfilling yet more knowledge in managing Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Let me introduce you to my latest course, RHEL 8 Deploying, Configuring and Maintaining Systems. I am the owner of the Urban Penguin, training and consulting in Linux, and I've been doing so for many years, working both in system administration and a dabbling developer. I'm working a lot at the moment with Python. Now, we probably already know that the use of Linux is on the increase, and if you're looking for certification, you're going to want to find a certification that tests you not just on what you can read from a book, but what you can actually do. Both the Linux Foundation and the Red Hat certifications are performance-based, where you are tested on a live and running system. Now, this course is designed to help you get towards that certification and allow you to become more proficient and effective in your management of RHEL 8 and similar systems. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include, managing software packages, configuring the local time and time services, understanding timer units within systemd, as well as looking and using our scheduling tools within RHEL 8. By the end of this course, you'll know not only how to install software, but also see how you can update packages meeting a specific security level. But not just that, you'll be able to install and configure the chrony time service and use tools such as Grubby to modify the boot process. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with working at the Linux command line.